Hey everyone, it's been a while since I've done a video, so I thought I'd showcase this van we're getting ready to send off to its new owner. A few special features on this van. As you've probably already seen, we've teamed up with the company Safiery using their battery and management systems. So this is the battery management system in this particular van. It's actually a full electric van. We've omitted all the gas out of the van. So this has got the 4 Safiery 48 volt batteries. So that's equivalent to 800 amp hours at 12 volt. Tucked up in behind the batteries there is a 5 kVA inverter, and then all your management control system there. Fuse panel, all labelled nicely as to what fuse does what. And then your breakers down here for your high output currents. So very nice system how it all packages up in this front hatch. And like I say, it's a full electric van. So with this amount of power, they'll be able to run their aircon and all their other electrical appliances inside, purely off the battery system and the inverter. It's a 24-foot Nomadics Premier, or Nomadics. Sitting up quite high, this van, if you might notice. So we've deleted the wheel arches. We've put in a dual 150 beam chassis. And the reason we've done this is because of the layout we've got inside. So we've omitted the wheel arches from inside, which gives it a flat floor and allows us to do a couple of interesting things inside, which I'll show you when we get inside. Got a nice large custom box on the back here. Goes right through to the other side. So we've got twin handles, center access point here, so you can access the center of the box. Got our usual carpeted floor in the bottom of the box, just makes it look nice. And then coming around this side, we've got a diesel tank in the back here. So this diesel tank, as I suggested, no gas in this van, so that controls the hot water and the air heater. So we've got a combination hot air and hot water system. That's a Truma system. So we'll have a look at that a bit later. Got the electric awning, got the yellow awning lights, so they're either a yellow or a white, as you can see up there. Usual outside entertainment hatch, so your TV will just clip on a bracket out here. Got your airbag controls here, so we can control our air heights. Radio remote is also out here as well, so you've got full stereo TV access outside the van. This particular customer's opted for a little special feature, so we've put in a outside pantry / bar. So this particular one is we've embroidered the spin number on there, so it's got a couple of gas struts. Hold it up, get it out of the way. Typical drop down table out on the outside here, picnic table. And in the front hatch we've got the slide out kitchen, so that just slides out. We've got a sink up here, got a custom infill board there for the sink, so extend your bench space. In this cavity here, you'll have your Weber Q or your little Ziggy barbecue. A couple of hoses there just to plug the water in for the sink, and that simply plugs into the fittings here at the front of the van. Also fitted is the typical Nomadics front box, a couple of jerry can holders. He does have a 4 kilo gas bottle on the front here, but that's purely for his outside barbecue. So that'll have a remote bayonet hose running from the bottle straight over here to his barbecue. And that simply tucks away. We've got a little bit of internal storage up there and over again on this side. And this van tared in at 3440 with a ATM of 4500. So it's a big van. It's not for your average tow vehicle, but this particular customer's got the right vehicle to tow this van. And being so high, as I suggested, he's had to opt for the double step. So we'll pop inside and have a look. We've got a big full club lounge at the rear as we step in. That's a removable table, so they don't have to have that table there all the time. And it will squat down and may convert for a bed as well. Overhead cupboards at the back here. He's opted for some extra speakers up there in each corner. That gets the stereo fairly cranking. So so we can
did, but
pump out
over the course of the last 6 to 8 weeks,
pump out the tunes quite nicely. A couple of nice Sirocco fans just to circulate the air in this area. Right there. He's asked for the stereo to be mounted out on the external face, which we can do if you ask. And then up in here we've got our other electronics. So we've got the Safiery Go there for boosting your mobile devices. Got our controls here for our hot water and our air heat. This one here's the tank for the grey water. We've got our switchings for our pumps. Fridge fans, so we run a fan system behind our fridge. So that helps the air circulate behind the fridge to keep it cool. Eliminates the need for any vents to go outside. We've also got a fan in behind our microwave. So when we're using our microwave, it'll blow all the steam and the condensation out from behind. This one's purely just a light for inside here. And this one here's to isolate your Safiery. Up here is our control panel. So as you can see, we're not plugged into anything. We're using power at the moment. Simply flick over through the screens. We've got our water gauges here. Just get that off. I can turn my inverter on by this function here, which you can see at the moment it is on. And I can change my AC current limit. So if I do have to plug into a generator, I can alternate the current limit. So that's a nice display up there. Tells you everything that's going on in the van. And we've got a two-part kitchen here. So on this side we've got our sink with our usual suspects, and we also have slide out rubbish bin down here, which the customer has asked for, so that works quite well. Locked away in underneath there. On the other side of the kitchen we've got our convection microwave oven with our induction cooktop up top. Again, a couple more overheads above there. 285 litre Bushman fridge, so plenty of room in that fridge, same as your household size fridges. Moving down to the centre of the van, we have a mirrored shower door that goes into our shower recess. Again, black tapware, and this one was an option the customer wanted, so we managed to work that out for him. Again, as usual with Spinifex, one-piece moulded fiberglass shower recess, nice and easy to keep clean. And dropping down here into this cupboard here, we have our 4 kilo top load washing machine with plenty of storage space above. So you've got plenty of room for all your linen and bits and pieces. On the opposite side to the shower, we have the toilet and vanity. Nice full mirror there. Again, black tapware, so it looks very smart in here. Nice window there on the side to keep the air flowing. And then we move down to the bedroom. Full size queen bed, so that's a 2.30 m bed. Couple of Sirocco fans again, one on either side. And we've got plenty of storage under the bed. So we've got specific storage there for a couple of TVs. So this van's got 2 TVs. And there's also going to be room in there for his table as well. So this one here actually fits in there, and these can store his table in there. One of the TVs will mount up here on the wall in the bedroom, and then he's got room for another one to be mounted down in the living space. So as I suggested, it's a full electric van, no gas, looking very smart. We've got that aircon running at the moment off the batteries, so you can see up there we're pulling 862 watts out of the batteries, and that's just running the aircon. So it's not even pulling a kilowatt of power, and you've got 5 kilowatts available, so it's a 5 kVA inverter. So plenty of power left over for running all your other electrical appliances. And as you can hear, the Tremor aircon, it's quite a quiet unit. Works very well too. It's nice and cool in here at the moment. So there we go. This is a 24-foot full custom van, full electric van. If you want more information on what we can do with our power wise with the 48 volt systems and eliminating gas out of your caravan, don't hesitate, give us a call. We've done quite a few of them now, so they're becoming quite popular. All right, thanks guys, and we'll see you on the next one.